some basic concepts in biology. Actually, there are many theoretical terms in the biology. Here, I try to explain as much as possible in simple language with different interesting images. Let's begin with cell. It is a smallest structural and functional unit of living organism. So basically it's analogically same like atom. Just like atom is the smallest unit of element, similarly cell is the smallest unit of living organism, as well as it is also responsible of structure and function of particular part. Basically, we will see two types of cells. One, plant cell, and second, animal cell. First, we see animal cell. Actually, both cells are similar, but just there is difference of some parts. So first, we see animal cell. In the animal cell, there are many cell organelles present. Main organ for the animal cell is nucleus. It controls all activities of the cell. It contains nuclear pores. So you can see here nuclear pores and chromatin. After nucleus, one more organ is cytoplasm. Here name is not mentioned, so I write here. Cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is present all over the cell, and this cytoplasm is covered with plasma membrane. So here is a plasma membrane which is a cover for all cell organelles. After, there are some empty spaces inside the cells. It is called vacuoles. Other important organs are like mitochondria. It is responsible for energy production of the cell. It also called as a powerhouse of the cell. Cell also contain ribosomes and lysosomes. Lysosomes are responsible to destroy the cell in case of any damage. It also contain centriole, you can see here, and two types of endoplasmic reticulums called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. And one more organ, keep in mind, polyribosomes. So these are organelles of the cell. It also contains Golgi body. Here it is shown. After animal cell, let's see plant cell. So in the plant cell, similar organelles are present like nucleus, mitochondria, cell membrane, cytoplasm, vacuoles. Apart from that, two different organ, or let's say additional organs. One is a cell wall and chloroplast are present in the plant cell. Cell wall is one more outer membrane for the protection of the cell, and chloroplast is responsible to produce their own food by photosynthesis process. So this is basic difference between animal cell and plant cell, that only plant cell contains cell wall and cytoplasm. If you see diagrams, the vacuoles of the plant cell are larger than vacuoles of animal cells. That is also a basic difference. So this is about cell. मराठीमध्ये याला पेशी म्हणतात. पेशी हे सजीवांचे लहानात लहान रचनात्मक व कार्यात्मक एकक आहे. इथे 2 पेशींचे प्रकार दाखवलेले आहेत, प्राणी पेशी आणि वनस्पती पेशी. प्राणी पेशीमध्ये केंद्रक, न्यूक्लियस म्हणजे केंद्रक, केंद्रकी छिद्र, त्यानंतर व्हॅक्यूल्स म्हणजे रिक्तिका, लायझोसोम्स म्हणजे लायकारिका, गॉल्गी, त्यानंतर रायझोझोम्स आणि एंडोप्लाझमिक रेटिक्युलम म्हणजे आंतरद्रव्य जालिका असतात. त्याचप्रमाणे पेशीद्रव्य सगळीकडे असते आणि प्लाझ्मा मेम्ब्रेन म्हणजे पेशीपटल किंवा पारपटल असते. दुसऱ्या प्रकारात वनस्पती पेशींमध्ये तेच अवयव असतात. त्याहून अतिरिक्त पेशी भित्तिका, सेल वॉल म्हणजे पेशी भित्तिका आणि क्लोरोप्लास्ट म्हणजे हरितद्रव्य असते. नेक्स्ट concept is tissue. So tissue is a group of cell. So it is made up of cells with similar structures and function. So lot of cells of same structure and function combine to form tissues. So it is a group of cell. There are different types of tissues present in human body. So you can see in this diagram there are many tissues. One is a muscle tissues. There are different types of muscle tissues like cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, smooth muscles. These cardiac muscles are present in the heart. Skeletal muscles are connected to all bones of hands and legs. So here these are skeletal muscles also on the legs. After smooth muscles, these smooth muscles are actually present in stomach. After muscle tissue, another type is called epithelial tissues. So epithelial tissues are nothing but lining of gastrointestinal tract and other hollow organs. So they are also present in the digestive system. There are different types of epithelial tissues like ciliated and columnar epithelial tissue, simple columnar epithelial tissue, simple cuboidal, simple squamous epithelium. So just keep in mind these names. You may need these names while you are doing study. These epithelial tissues are also present on the skin. So our skin is also made up of epithelial tissues. Another type of tissue is nerve tissue. So whatever tissues are present in the brain, spinal cord and nerves are nerve tissues. And one more type of tissue is called connective tissues. So connective tissues, for example tendons. So tendons are connected to bones. After bone itself is a tissue. Fat and other soft padding of tissues. So these are types of connective tissue. Even blood is also one kind of connective tissue. So these are different types of tissues. We will just look over these tissues, not going in detail. मराठीमध्ये याला उती असं म्हणतात. समान प्रकारच्या रचनात्मक व कार्यात्मक पेशींचा समूह म्हणजे उती असतात. विविध उतींचे प्रकार आहेत, जसे की स्नायू उती, चेता उती, संयोजी ऊती आणि अभिस्तर ऊती. स्नायू ऊती या हृदयामध्ये, हाडांच्या भोवती असलेल्या स्नायूंमध्ये, त्याचप्रमाणे आतड्यांमध्ये असतात. अभिस्तर ऊती या देखील पचन संस्थेमध्ये, संपूर्ण त्वचेमध्ये, त्याचप्रमाणे नाकामध्ये असतात. त्यानंतर नर्व टिश्यू म्हणजे चेताऊती या मेंदू, चेतारज्जू आणि सर्व चेतासंस्थांमध्ये पसरलेल्या असतात. संयोजी ऊती म्हणजेच कनेक्टिव्ह टिश्यू, या संयोजी ऊतीचे विविध प्रकार पडतात, जसं की अस्थी म्हणजे बोन, रक्त, कास्थी आणि विविध एकमेकांना जोडणारे भाग, या सर्व संयोजी ऊतींच्या बनलेल्या असतात. लेट्स गो अहेड. नेक्स्ट concept is human body organs. So first we studied cell. After cell, next level is tissue, and from tissues organs are formed. So human body organs are formed by group of different tissue. So it is a group of different tissue. There are many organs. These organs are present inside the body. So normally we cannot see these organs from outside. For example, here this organ is psychological organ. After pharynx, cardiovascular organ, which is nothing but heart. Muscular organs means all muscles. Liver, gallbladder, kidney. Skeleton is all over the body. Intestines, so all intestines. Urinary bladder, pancreas, all veins. Stomach, bone marrow, spleen, lungs, lymph node. All these are different organs. All these are group of tissues, nothing but organs. मराठीमध्ये याला इंद्रिये असं म्हणतात. इंद्रिये ही शरीराच्या आतमध्ये असतात. विविध ऊतींचा समूह म्हणजेच इंद्रिय असतात. प्रत्येक इंद्रियाचं काही विशिष्ट कार्य असतं. आकृतीत दाखवल्याप्रमाणे आपल्या शरीरात विविध इंद्रिय असतात. उदाहरणार्थ फुफ्फुसे, प्लीहा, काही हाडांमधील द्रव्य, जठर, शिरा, धमन्या. पचन संस्थेमध्ये अनेक इंद्रिय असतात. उत्सर्जन संस्थेमध्ये इंद्रिय असतात. आतडे, संपूर्ण हाडांचा सांगाडा, वृक्क, त्यानंतर यकृत, विविध स्नायू, हृदय, हे सर्व आपल्या शरीराचे इंद्रिय आहेत. त्याचप्रमाणे श्वसनलिका किंवा अन्ननलिका, मेंदू, ही सर्व आपल्या शरीरातील विविध इंद्रिये आहेत. नेक्स्ट कन्सेप्ट, ह्यूमन बॉडी सिस्टीम्स. सो बेसिकली group of organs form different systems. There are many systems present in the body. For example, digestive system, respiratory system, reproduction system, blood circulation system, nervous system. Each system has specific function. For example, digestion is function of digestive system. Respiration is the function of respiratory system. Blood circulation is function of blood circulatory system. Growth and development is function of nerve system. Coordination is also function of nerve system. Reproduction is function of reproduction system. Excretion is function of excretory system. And all these systems are formed by group of different organ. Each organ is dedicated to each kind of function. We try to see in simple words, different system. First system is nervous system. So nervous system has main organs like brain, spinal cord, neurons, etc. Function of nerve system is coordination, and also it maintains homeostasis by working all systems together. This system also controls all functioning of the body. So here in the image we can see different organs of nervous system like brain, spinal cord. There are actually three parts of nervous system like central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and one more called autonomous nervous system. So this is about nervous system. याला मराठीमध्ये चेतासंस्था असं म्हणतात. याच्यामध्ये मेंदू, चेतारज्जू आणि विविध चेतापेशी असतात. याचे काम हे शरीरावर नियंत्रण ठेवणे, शरीरातील सर्व कार्यांवर, कार्यप्रणालीवर नियंत्रण ठेवणे, त्याचप्रमाणे शरीरामध्ये समन्वय असणे हे असते. यामध्ये मेंदू सर्वात महत्त्वाचा अवयव आहे, त्याचप्रमाणे इतर अवयव जे आता सांगितले तसे. सेकंड is a digestive system. The main organs are like mouth. So here is a mouth, esophagus, then stomach, liver, small and large intestines, rectum and anus. So these are parts of digestive system. Main function of digestive system is digestion of food. So whatever we eat, it get digested. Digestion is nothing but to convert complex food item into simpler molecules. Also, it is responsible for absorption of all nutrients, all essential nutrients and water to pass into blood. And also, another function is removing ejection of useless food outside the body. So this is about digestive system. पचन संस्था यामध्ये मुख, अन्ननलिका, जठर, यकृत, मोठे आतडे, छोटे आतडे, त्याचप्रमाणे विविध अवयव असतात जे अन्न पचनासाठी उपयोगी असतात. यांचे काम अन्नाचे पचन करणे, मुख्य जे पण काही अन्न घटक आहेत जे शरीराला उपयोगी असतात ते आणि पाणी रक्तामध्ये पाठवणे, ज्याला शोषण म्हणतात. त्याचप्रमाणे नको असलेले अन्न शरीराच्या बाहेर काढणे, हे सर्व पचन संस्थेचे कार्य आहे. नेक्स्ट इज रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीम. इट कंटेन lungs, larynx, pharynx and nose. Function of this system is breathing, so taking oxygen inside. It is also called inhalation, and to push out carbon dioxide outside the body, also called as exhalation. So in this diagram you can see nasal cavity. After this nose there is a nasal cavity. Air goes through this pharynx and larynx. Here are lungs. Inside the lungs there are alveoli, and there is a diaphragm which separate lungs from digestive system. So these are parts of respiratory system. मराठीमध्ये याला श्वसन संस्था असे म्हणतात. यामध्ये फुफ्फुसे, श्वसनिका, नाक, स्वरयंत्र इत्यादी अवयव असतात. याचं मुख्य कार्य हे ऑक्सिजन शरीरात घेणे, याला श्वास घेणे म्हणतात, आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साईड शरीराच्या बाहेर टाकणे, याला उच्छवास असे म्हणतात. म्हणजे श्वासोच्छवासाचे कार्य हे श्वसन संस्था करते. जो पण काही ऑक्सिजन फुफ्फुसामध्ये जातो तो रक्तामध्ये मिसळून शरीरभर रक्तामध्ये मिसळण्याचे कार्य देखील श्वसन संस्था करत असते. नेक्स्ट सिस्टीम इज ब्लड सर्क्युलेशन सिस्टीम. मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ ब्लड सर्क्युलेशन सिस्टीम आर heart, arteries, veins and capillaries. It is responsible for transportation of nutrients, hormones, oxygen to all parts of the body. Also, it is responsible for transportation of waste, carbon dioxide from all parts of the body for excretion. So here these nutrients, hormones and oxygen is provided to all parts of the body. On the other hand, waste, carbon dioxide is collected from all parts of the body and given to excretory system for excretion. So here in this diagram, the main part is heart. It has two sides, right side and left side. So this left side is responsible to provide blood to all parts of the body. So, and this right side is responsible to collect this waste material from all parts of the body. मराठीमध्ये याला रक्ताभिसरण संस्था असे म्हणतात. यामध्ये हृदय आणि वेगवेगळ्या शिरा आणि धमन्या यांचा समावेश होतो. याचं कार्य पोषक तत्वे, हार्मोन्स आणि ऑक्सिजन शरीरात वेगवेगळ्या भागांमध्ये पाठवणे, त्याचप्रमाणे वेगवेगळ्या भागांकडून नको असलेले उत्सर्जित द्रव्य आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साईड गोळा करणे व तो उत्सर्जन संस्थेकडे पाठवणे हे रक्ताचे कार्य आहे. रक्त एक प्रकारे पूर्ण शरीरभर ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन म्हणजे परिवहनाचे कार्य करत असते. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सक्रीशन सिस्टीम. द मेन ऑर्गन्स आर लाइक किडनी, bladder, urethra. So here you can see there are two kidneys connected by urethra to bladder, and after that there is a urethra. Function is filtering out waste out of the blood and removal of waste out of the body. So it is mainly responsible for blood filtering and removing waste. एक्सक्रिटरी सिस्टीमला मराठीमध्ये उत्सर्जन संस्था असे म्हणतात. यामध्ये वृक्क, त्याचप्रमाणे मूत्राशय, मूत्रनलिका यांचा समावेश होत असतो. याचं मुख्य कार्य हे शरीरातील उत्सर्जित पदार्थ गोळा करणे व ते रक्तातून बाजूला काढून रक्त शुद्ध करणे. त्याचप्रमाणे हे उत्सर्जित पदार्थ मूत्रावाटे शरीराच्या बाहेर टाकणे हे कार्य मुख्यत्वे उत्सर्जन संस्थेचे असते. या व्यतिरिक्त आपल्या त्वचेतून देखील काही द्रव्य उत्सर्जित होत असतात. त्याचप्रमाणे नाकावाटेही काही द्रव्य उत्सर्जित होत असतात. नेक्स्ट important system is called endocrine system. There are various glands which produce different kinds of hormones which are necessary for chemical control of the body. This is the main function of endocrine system. So here in the diagram different glands are present all over the body. For example, pineal glands, hypothalamus gland, pituitary gland, parathyroid gland, thyroid gland, thymus gland, stomach, kidney, adrenal glands, ovaries, uterus, so these glands are present only in female body, and testes, these glands are present only in male body. So these are different kinds of glands of endocrine system. याला मराठीमध्ये अंतस्रावी ग्रंथी असे म्हणतात. आपल्या शरीरात विविध ग्रंथी असतात, त्या वेगवेगळ्या भागात शरीरात पसरलेल्या असतात. याचं मुख्य कार्य हे काही महत्त्वाचे हॉर्मोन्स तयार करून ते शरीरासाठी विविध प्रकारचे रासायनिक नियंत्रण राखले जाते. यामध्ये पिनियल ग्रंथी, पीयूषिका ग्रंथी, अवटू ग्रंथी, वाल्य ग्रंथी म्हणजे थायमस, त्याचप्रमाणे अधिवृक्क ग्रंथी, ज्या इथं किडनी म्हणून आहे ते अधिवृक्क ग्रंथी, आणि अंडाशय आणि वृषण अशी वेगवेगळे ग्रंथी शरीरभर पसरलेले असतात. त्यांचं मुख्य कार्य हे रासायनिक नियंत्रण आहे. पुढील नेक्स्ट सिस्टीम is called reproduction system. Basically there are different reproduction systems and different organs for male and female. Let's see male reproductive system. It contains scrotum, penis, testes and sperms. So function is sperm production and injection of that sperm into female body during intercourse. So here in this diagram, this is a male reproductive system. It contains testicle, urethra, prostate glands, seminal duct and penis, so and also pubic bone. So this is a schematic of male reproductive system. Second is female reproductive system. The function of female reproductive system is reproduce and develop new zygote and birth. Main parts are ovaries, uterus. So here ovaries, uterus, cervix, vagina. It also contains egg cells, fallopian tube and fundus. So these are parts of female reproductive system. याला प्रजनन संस्था असे म्हणतात. यामध्ये मानवामध्ये पुरुष आणि स्त्री प्रजनन संस्था ही वेगवेगळी असते. पुरुष प्रजनन संस्थेमध्ये जे अवयव येतात ते वृषण, शिश्न, त्याचप्रमाणे रेताशय, अधिवृषण, मूत्रनलिका यांचा समावेश होतो. याचं मुख्य कार्य हे स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन म्हणजे याचे मुख्य कार्य हे शुक्राणूंची निर्मिती करणे व त्याचप्रमाणे त्यांचे स्त्री संस्थेमध्ये समागमनाच्या वेळी क्षेपण करणे हे असते. सो येथे आकृतीमध्ये पुरुष प्रजनन संस्थेचे रेखाचित्र दाखवले आहे. यामध्ये शिश्न, वृषण, प्रोस्टेट ग्रंथी इत्यादी अवयव असतात. दुसरी प्रजनन संस्था ही स्त्री प्रजनन संस्था. यामध्ये बीजांडवाहिनी, बीजांडकोश, गर्भाशय, योनी या अवयवांचा समावेश होतो. याचे कार्य हे रिप्रोडक्शन म्हणजे नवीन अवयव तयार करणे व त्याला जन्म देणे हे असते. येथे आकृतीमध्ये स्त्री प्रजनन संस्थेचे वेगवेगळे भाग दर्शवले आहेत. Now we will see some nutrients their functions and food sources. There are different nutrients necessary for body like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and water. Water is actually not a nutrient, but it is essential for body. So let's see one by one. Carbohydrates. It provide energy to do work and all functions. Main sources of carbohydrate are grains, potato, sugar, all fruits. Second is proteins. Proteins are responsible for growth and development of body. Main sources of proteins are pulses, milk, almonds, broccoli, meat, fish, paneer and eggs. So from these food we get proteins, and which helps us for growth and development of body. Next one important nutrient is fats. Fats provide us energy which gets stored in the body. It also provide insulation to body. We get fats from ghee, butter, oil, groundnuts, meat and chicken. So these are main sources of fats. We can also get fat from milk as well. Next one is water. Water is essential for functionality and it keep our body hydrated, because most of part of our body is made up of water. Main source is drinking water, also liquid foods and water rich fruits like watermelon. So these are sources for water, but most important source is normal drinking water. मराठीमध्ये याला कर्बोदके असे म्हणतात. कर्बोदके शरीराला विविध कार्य करण्यासाठी ऊर्जा देण्याचं कार्य करतात. कर्बोदके आपणास धान्य, बटाटे, साखर, फळे यांपासून मिळतात. प्रथिने. प्रथिन्यांचं कार्य शरीराची वाढ आणि विकास हे असतं. प्रथिने आपल्याला विविध डाळी, दूध, बदाम, ब्रोकोली, मांस, मासे, पनीर, अंडी यामध्ये मिळू शकतं. फॅट्स म्हणजे स्निग्ध पदार्थ किंवा स्निग्धाम्ले किंवा मेदाम्ले. शरीराला जी ऊर्जा साठवून ठेवण्यासाठी आवश्यक असते किंवा साठवण्याच्या स्वरूपात जी ऊर्जा असते ती या स्निग्ध पदार्थातून मिळते. घी म्हणजे तूप, बटर, तेल, शेंगदाणे, मांस, चिकन हे याचे स्रोत आहेत. पाणी. पाणी शरीरात विविध कार्यांसाठी आवश्यक असते. त्याचप्रमाणे शरीरात पाण्याचे प्रमाण स्थिर राहणे देखील आवश्यक असते. पाण्याचा मुख्य स्रोत हे पिण्याचे पाणी. त्याचप्रमाणे काही द्रव अन्न आणि पाणीदार फळे, उदाहरणार्थ कलिंगड हे आहेत. नेक्स्ट आर डिफरंट विटॅमिन्स. सो विटॅमिन ए, विटॅमिन डी, विटॅमिन के, विटॅमिन बी, विटॅमिन सी. these are different important vitamins. Let's see one by one. Vitamin A, it is essential for night vision, healing epithelial cells, normal development of teeth and bones. Main sources are breast milk, tomatoes, cabbage, lettuce, pumpkins, mangoes, papaya, carrots. As well as we can get vitamin A from liver, kidney, egg yolk, milk, butter, cheese cream. So these are main sources of vitamin A. मराठीमध्ये याला जीवनसत्वे म्हणतात. विविध जीवनसत्वे आहेत. ए जीवनसत्व, डी जीवनसत्व, किंवा ड जीवनसत्व, के जीवनसत्व, बी जीवनसत्व, सी जीवनसत्व. Vitamin D is needed for absorption of calcium from small intestine, and we get it majorly from sunlight, ultraviolet light from sun. Another function of vitamin D is calcification of skeleton. We can also get vitamin D from egg, butter, fish, fortified oils, fats and cereals. Next is vitamin K. It is essential for blood clotting. We get it from green leafy vegetables like cabbage. We also get it from fruit, cereal, meat and dairy products. Next important vitamin is vitamin B complex. Actually there are different kinds of vitamin B. It is necessary for metabolism of carbohydrate, proteins and fats. चयापचय क्रियेसाठी महत्त्वाचे असतात. It present in milk, egg yolk, liver, kidney and heart, whole grain cereals, meat, whole bread, fish and bananas. Vitamin C is important for prevention of scurvy, aiding wound healing, assisting absorption of iron. Majorly we get it from fruits like orange, banana, mangoes, grapes, lemon, as well as potatoes, some vegetables like cabbage, carrot, pepper and tomatoes. It is also get from breast milk. Apart from that, some minerals are also important for body like calcium, iron, iodine, zinc and fluorine. Calcium gives rigidity and strength to bones and teeth, and we can get it from milk and milk products, as well as fortified foods like flour cereals, egg, fish, cabbage. Iron is important for formation of hemoglobin, and we get it from meat and meat products, eggs, bread, green leafy vegetables, pulses and fruits. Iodine is important for normal metabolism of body. If iodine is less, it causes thyroid. Iodized salt, sea vegetables, yogurt, cow milk, eggs and cheese, as well as fish, as well as plants grown in iodine rich soil. These are sources for iodine. Zinc is important for children to grow and develop normally, and also wound healing. We can get zinc from maize, fish, breast milk, meat and beans. Fluorine, it helps to keep teeth stronger. We get fluorine from water. So these are basic concepts in biology. Thank you.